Statewide, 17 wildfires continue to burn out of control.
California, rising winds and low humidity fan the flames.
Huge firestorms in California's wine country.
We woke up very early in the morning and I looked outside and I saw the hill of smoke and orange glow. I realized that me and the kids needed to get out of the house. So I packed the kids up and we left the home. We didn't know what was happening, if Santa Rosa was just pretty much gonna burn down. Over 4,000 homes were lost. I thought at first it's not gonna get to my house, but it did. A lot of people were affected, but it also made the community come together.
As Comcast's group, we were able to help one of our retail partners, Chanel. She actually lost everything in the fires. We really just brought everything together so that her family can set up and restart in a location that she was truly comfortable with.
We're here for the 17th annual Comcast Cares Day. In addition to the great work we're doing around here, we're donating to the Santa Rosa School District. We believe in the power of service and in giving back to the communities in which we live and work.
Today's the groundbreaking for our Integrated Wellness Center, which will open this summer and will be available all year long. This is the beginning of our rebuilding, our coming together, and our healing. We have over 800 students who lost their homes in the fire. We want to provide any family in the county behavioral support, academic support, and medical support.
I just feel like it's my turn to give back to the community because they've done so much for me.
It's an amazing opportunity to be able to be here and let people know that we have not forgotten